32, shots fired. Officer needs help. Hyde Park and Crenshaw.
All unit, officer needs help. Hyde Park and Crenshaw. Officer needs help. Hyde Park and Crenshaw. Any 77 unit come in. Air unit coming out 77 frequency. Shots fired.
Vehicle leaving. Black Honda Civic 8. Leaving south.
Suspect vehicles of Black Honda Civic. Hyde Park and Crenshaw. Any 77 unit come in.
Yeah, I'm good too. Hey, you got him right there?
Officer needs help. Hyde Park and Crenshaw.
Hey, partner, you good? Hey, stay right there. He's taking off.
Shots fired.
Black Honda Civic 8.
Hey, don't reach for it. Hey,
Suspect vehicles of Black Honda Civic.
hey, put it out. I got him. Put that out. Put that out. I got him. Man, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Don't.
Source 32, what is the description of the suspect vehicle?
Source 32, what is a Black Honda Civic? Let me get you something southbound. Hyde Park. The suspect is down. No black, white shirt. Let me get RA over.
Let's move. Move. Watch him. Dude, who has gloves? I got him.
Units responding 906, northbound, bypass to Blvd, push to plow back. No call for it.
Bring him this way. Careful.
Suspect is taken into custody.
Alright, give me your hand. Just flip him to the left, bring him, and start doing chest compressions as best as we can.
take it. Go. Go, what do you need?
My brother's got gloves on. He can move me. I got it.
What do you want me to do? Chest compression?
Take the gun there.
You're free, have all responding units back on the vehicle. Crenshaw, just up on the Hyde Park.